Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Pragmata game not launching or not opening, crashing, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen or other issues on Xbox. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to check for Pragmata updates. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue. For that, press Xbox symbol on your controller, then move down to profile and system and select settings and click on system, then click on console info. Then select reset console and after that select reset and keep my game and apps option. After that launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space. For that press Xbox button, now go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not or else delete some unused apps or games to create space and then try to launch the game and check. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that open settings. Choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. After that launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove. After that select remove option. After that add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to reinstall Pragmata game. So for that press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps. Select see all. After that select Pragmata game, then press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Pragmata official website and download the game and then try to launch it and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you're coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about their error. They will better guide what to do or else they'll try to resolve it from their end so that you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.